Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu for business. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need fresh eggs, premium mascarpone cheese, and high-quality ladyfingers. For the coffee, a strong espresso is ideal, and don't forget a good cocoa powder for dusting. We'll focus on sourcing ingredients that ensure a consistent, delicious product every time, setting your business up for success from the start. Next, we'll dive into the assembly process. Start by preparing a smooth, stable mascarpone cream, ensuring it holds its shape well. Dip your ladyfingers quickly into the cooled espresso, being careful not to oversaturate them. Then, layer the cream and ladyfingers evenly in your chosen containers. Repeat these layers, finishing with a generous top layer of cream. This careful layering creates the classic tiramisu texture. Now, let's talk about scaling your production and presentation. When making larger batches, maintain ingredient ratios precisely to ensure consistent flavor. Consider individual portions for easy serving and portion control, or larger trays for catering. Dust with cocoa powder just before serving for the freshest look. A beautiful presentation can significantly enhance your tiramisu's appeal and perceived value to customers. Finally, food safety and proper storage are paramount for any food business. Always use fresh, pasteurized eggs if serving to the public. Store your finished tiramisu in a refrigerator at 35 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It typically maintains its best quality for 3 to 4 days. Proper handling and storage not only ensure safety, but also preserve the delicious taste and texture your customers expect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.